I guess I don't have a favorite. I think they're all very challenging for me, and the best part for me is that it makes me sit down and paint. There's
Good.
that there's something that I need to do. It forces me to sit down. Because of no confidence, I tend to put it off. But because I have this, assignment, so to speak, it helps me just get started. And then once I start, I enjoy it very much, just
Okay.
because I don't know what I'm doing for most of the
Yeah.
time. And so I'm still very much in the exploratory part, but each one, like even when she said redoing it, the peppers I redid, after your critique. And so, I think that was a very good comment, to see if you redo it, if you get any better.